Good morning, friend. My name is Chand Praveen Nandev. I am from Jalna. I recently passed my B.Pharm course, DBATU University. Today's subject is human anatomy and physiology, and today's topic is cell. Cell is a basic living structural and functional unit of living organism. There are about 200 different types of cell in our body. All cell produced by the process of cell division. Cell of biology is study of cellular structure and function. Structure of the cell intimately related to its function. The we will seeing the part of the cell, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, cytosol, organelles, nucleus, the plasma membrane structure. The membrane composed of the protein lipid, phospholipid. It bind together by non-covalent force. The phospholipid molecule have head which is electrically charged and hydrophilic in nature, a tail which has no charge and hydrophobic in nature. It is layer the sugar molecule embedded between them. Then we will see function of we will see function of plasma membrane, protection of cell membrane, barrier, shape of the cell membrane, cell junction, cell movement, selective permeability, impulse transmission. Then we will see cytoplasm. The cytoplasm has two components, cytosols and organelles. Cytosols, it is the fluid portion of cytoplasm that contain water, 75% to 90% iron, amino acid, protein, lipid, ATP, and waste product. Organelles present ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, nucleus, etc. Then we will see ribosome. There are thin granules composed by RNA protein. They synthesize protein from amino acid using RNA. When this is present in free units in the cytoplasm, the ribosome make protein for use within the cell. Ribosomes are also found on the other surface of the nuclear envelope and rough endoplasmic reticulum. They manufacture protein from export from the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. That then Here is lack of ribosomes and rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is the study with ribosome synthesis of protein. Then we will see Golgi apparatus. It consists of the stacks closely founded in flatted membrane and sac present in all cells, but in larger those cells that synthesize and export protein. The proteins move from endoplasmic reticulum to Golgi apparatus, where they packaged into membrane found vesicles called as secretory granules. The vesicles are stored and when needed more to plasma membrane through which protein exported. Then nucleus, every cell in the body has nucleus with exception of mature RBC. Skeletal muscle and some other cells contain several nuclei. It is the largest organelles of the cell and it contained within the nuclear envelope. The nucleus contain body genetic material which direct all metabolic activities of the cells. This consists of 46 chromosome which made for DNA. Mitochondria is also called as the powerhouse of the cell. They are involved in the aerobic respiration, the process by which chemical energy which is made available the cell. The energy is in the form of ATP, which release energy when the cell break down. The synthesis of ATP most efficient. Final stage aerobic respiration process, recovering oxygen. Cell division. There are two types of cell division: mitosis and meiosis. Most of the time, when people refer the cell division, they mean mitosis, the process making new body cell. Meiosis in the type cell division that create egg and sperm cell. Mitosis, fundamental process of life. Cell cycle. Cell cycle is the four stages process in which cell increases in size. Gap 1, G1 stage, copies DNA prepare to divide and divide mitosis. Then we will say Prokaryotic cell, where here first and for billion of year we are the only from the life of earth. All prokaryotic organisms are unicellular. Eukaryotic cell appeared on the earth long after prokaryotic cell, but they much more advanced. Eukaryotic organism, unlikely prokaryotic, can be unicellular and multicellular. Characteristic of prokaryotics. Prokaryotes are the simplest type of cell. Oldest type of cell appeared about the 4 billion year ago. Prokaryotics are the largest group of organisms. Prokaryotics are unicellular organisms that found in all environment. Prokaryotics, shape of prokaryotics, basicles, spirilla, etc. Then characteristics of eukaryotes. Eukaryote cell appeared approximately 1 billion year ago. Eukaryotes are generally more advanced than prokaryotics. Nuclear membrane surrounded linear genetic material. Unlikely prokaryotic, eukaryotic have several different parts. Prokaryotic organelles have covering known as membrane. Eukaryotes have complex internal structure. Eukaryotics are larger than prokaryotics in size. Thank you.